You are welcome here to another tutorial. In this training, we'll be teaching you how to develop a website in less than 1 hour. And if you are fast enough, you can get it done in less than 30 minutes. So let's get started. If you are using an Android phone, you will have to go to Play Store. But if you are using an iPhone, you will have to locate your App Store. So you're clicking on Play Store. When you are in Play Store, you search for Lear Website Builder. Lear Website Builder. So you can see it in our drop down. You click the Website Builder, the first on the list, which is Lear Website Builder Artificial Intelligence by Vibe Software. You click it. And because this solution has been installed on my system, it has been pre-installed, I don't have to install it again. All I just have to do is open. But because you are doing it for the first time, you will have to download, install before you open it. So let's dive in. Open. Okay, so we are faced with a screen. On this screen, we have my projects, get started, how it works. And that's a brief intro into what Lear does. Lear can build a clean custom scrolling website for your business in seconds, starting with a simple voice command. But for the purpose of this training, we won't be using the voice command. Rather, we'll use the manual entry to achieve our web development. So let's get started. Press and hold down the icon button while you describe the website that you want. Example, build me a website for my business, whatever you decide to go with. But because we've decided initially that we are only going to enter manual information, we are not going to use the voice prompt, we will skip this session. Instead of using your voice, you can enter what type of business organization you are. So for example, a yoga studio. So rather than putting a yoga studio, we go with an example of business that you want to run. In our own case, we are running a school business. So we'll type school. If you want to run a fashion business, you can as well go with fashion. If you want to run a tailoring business, you can as well go. A barbing business, you can go along with whatever line of business you want to go with. So you click next. Okay, I have a few questions. Do you want to answer them? If you decide to go along with the questions, which I will advise that we go along with the questions to make the web development simpler, that will click yes, ask me questions. Okay, give your website a name. You want your website to be called a name. Like if you have a school, you have the name of the school, so you want to give the name of the school to the website. If you have a fashion business, you have a name to the fashion business, so you want to specify the name. So here we'll specify the name of our school. Team International. Then we click next. Okay, do you have a slogan? If so, enter it. So what would you want the slogan of your school to be? And in our own case, we would like to use the best training your token can get. Okay, the best training your token can get. Next, choose your free .site.live domain name. If you already own a domain name, you can change this to it later. So what you are to do here is to specify the name, the URL that you want to point your visitors to check for your website. And if you have a customized name, that's a domain name that you've paid for, you can use that later. So here we'll specify the name of our school, the website, the URL of our school. So I would do tin 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 .site.live. Then you click OK. Next, will your site have a place for users to buy products or book a service? In our own case, we are not buying a product, we are not booking a service because it's a school business. So we'll click neither. Do you want an about us section on your page, which is usually a major component in every website development? You want people to know about your business. So about us page is where you specify what you do, how you started your business, all the things that you want people to know about your website. You put it in about us. So you click yes. Do you want a features section on your page to highlight a few bullet points about what you do? If you want to specify more about your business, the qualities of your business, and so on and so forth, you need this page, so you click yes. Do you want a place to display few photos? You have beautiful, lovely photos of your business, some photos that you've taken during the course of the year. You want to include it on your website, you click yes. Do you want a place to show some testimonials? So people have transacted business with you, people have you render your service to some set of people, and they want to commend you on this. So that would be a good place to there will be a good place to put on your website where people's comment can be displayed and people can see it and appreciate your business. So we click yes. Then, do you want a place to highlight some of your team members? You have a lot of people that work with you, especially you have some key staffs, and those key staff you want them to feature on your website. So you need this as well. So we click yes too. Do you want a form for people to join your mailing list? So there are times that you want to send out some informations to people, and you want to have a list of people to send mails to when you have one, an update on your school that you want to send out. This is a good avenue to have this included on your website too. So we click yes. Do you want a form for people to contact you with a more detailed information? That's your contact form. And on your contact form, you get specific. You get specific of what people want concerning your business. So there you can specify how you want information to be collected from people. So that we need it as well on our website. So we click yes too. Then, do you have a website with some text we can use? If so, enter the URL here. If not, leave it blank. So there are times that you want to develop a website and you have some people that you are looking up to. You have some people that are in the same line of business with you. If you know their website, you can copy the link and paste it here. So for the example of what I've picked from the net, this is grayschool.net. So we click next. I have enough to build you a good looking site, but do you want to answer more questions? So at this point, you can decide to click no, build me a site. But if you decide to be more detailed in your explanation of what to build, we'll go for yes, ask me more. So for this tutorial, we are going for yes, ask me more. So if you had to pick, will you prefer a more professional or friendly design? So I would say professional design because we are running a school, or you may decide to play safe, big, equally professional and equally friendly, whichever you can. You pick which you prefer the more. So in this tutorial we'll pick equally professional and friendly. Do you want an image in your about section? Yes, we want an image in our about self section, so we click yes. How many features do you want to highlight in your features section? So here we won't want to go elaborate into it. You can pick as many as you want, but we will just want to restrict ourselves to 3. Then we click next. How many images do you want in your photo gallery? So where you want to display your pictures, your events, how many photos will you like to see? You can pick as many as you want, but also for this tutorial we will restrict ourselves to 3. Then we click next. How many testimonial do you want in your testimonial slider? So people are testifying to the good works that you do on your website, the good works that you do personally. So you want to specify the number of people that will do this commenting. So you may decide to have just 3 on your website, you may decide to have 4. So for this training we have 3 too. Let's go. Do you want to show a profile image for the people who gave your testimonial? So those people that commented on your service, do you want to see their pictures along with their comment? Click yes. How many team members do you have? Let's just go with 3. Next. Do you want to include links to your team members' social media pages? So there are time or the team members that you've selected, that you've picked from your from the people you work with, they have a social page. Do you want to have a link to their social page? If you want, like their website, like their WhatsApp, their Facebook, their LinkedIn, if you want all those to feature on their picture on the social media page, you can include it as well. But for this purpose, we'll just click no. Do you want a form in your contact us session for people to send you a message? Click yes. You definitely need a form. Yes. So the forms, you can specify what you want to see. For this training, we select everything, both name, email, phone, company address, subject and message. We select everything, but I will advise that when you are developing your own website, you should reduce what people select, so that people, your visitors, while visiting your website, will not get weary of what to type. Just reduce it. Then next, please tap the finish button to initiate the development of your website. So we've gotten to the end. You just tap finish. So while your websites are developed automatically, the intelligence behind the solution develops a website for you. So while we're waiting for that to develop, I would like to state here that there are 4 things you need to know. First, okay, the website has just been completed, so we want to view it. Click on view. So why the website loads, there are few things I want us to know. If you remember the name of the website that you just created, you remember there was a place we specified, tintin.site.live. That's the name of our website and is the URL to our website. So what that is the link you give out to your visitors, you give out to your clients to check out things that you do. And if you have that, you can give it out to anybody. I'm telling you, your site just went live, so anybody can check your site anywhere all over the world, and that is the beauty of this solution. So what we just have here is a screen that shows your website. On this screen you can edit everything that you've imputed into your website. But before that, let's go and check out the website that we just developed. Let's go to our browser. So I'm looking for my Chrome browser. I'm going back home. There you go. So this is my Chrome browser. So what am I going to do? I'm going to type in the name of the school that I just developed, which is team dot site dot live, and click go. Isn't that lovely? That is, we just create our website in less than 30 minutes, and this is our website. Tintin International, the best training your token can get. And that's what you have. So subscribe to our newsletter. There's a page our mailing list that we subscribe, that people can subscribe to. Then we have another white section where you can tell more about your school. This is about us page. Here you tell us everything that you need to know concerning your school. And you see the pictures, they are lovely pictures. Then you have the category 1, category 2, category 3. These are areas where you specify some of the services that you offer at the same time in your school. Then we created a section for features. The features tells people more about the quality of your school, the quality of services that you deliver, and that's why you have quality, that's why you have pro, and that's where you have reliability. You just have to edit all these templates to suit what you want. Then the gallery, where you put pictures, some of the pictures that you have taken over the years, some of your ceremonies, things that you want people to see concerning your school. Then the testimonial page, where people testify to the good works that you do in your school. That's the testimonial page. Then our team page. You will notice that on our team page we don't have a picture, so they just want you to insert your picture. It's as simple as inserting the picture, changing the picture, showing off your team member. And that's the beauty of this solution. This solution is so perfect to give you exactly perfect website in less than 30 minutes. And this is your blog session. You can create blog, you can have contact us information. This is where people enter their information to send to you, their specific information to send to you. And voila, you just develop a website in less than 30 minutes. Now, for the purpose of this training, there are some advanced features that are not included, which we will like you to go for the advanced course. Because if you want to dive deep into the development of your website, like you want to change pictures, you are not comfortable with the pictures that are automatically used on your site, you want to change them, you want to edit everything, the text that was inputted on your site, you want to change everything, you can as well do that. It's as simple as you've created a website. But there are some features that we would like to train you more on the advanced course concerning the training for this. So thank you for watching, and we hope you've gained a lot, and meet you in the more advanced class. Thank you.